An International Commission on Human Rights, often referred to as a treaty body or a human rights committee, is a body established by a specific international human rights treaty to monitor its implementation. According to Hertie School, one prominent example is the UN Human Rights Committee, which oversees the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. A landmark case illustrating its work is Mellet vs. Ireland, where the committee found that Ireland's strict abortion ban violated women's rights. Here's a more detailed breakdown. What are international commissions on human rights? 1. These are bodies established by international human rights treaties, like the UN treaties, to monitor the implementation of those treaties by state parties. 2. They often involve periodic reviews of state reports, individual complaints, and issuing findings and recommendations. And 3. Examples include the UN Human Rights Committee, the Committee on the Elimination of Discrimination Against Women, and the Committee on the Rights of the Child. Landmark case example, Mellet vs. Ireland. 1. In this case, the UN Human Rights Committee examined complaints from women in Ireland about the country's strict abortion laws. 2. The committee found that Ireland's ban on abortion subjected women to cruel, inhuman, and degrading treatment. 3. This was a landmark ruling because it was the first time the committee recognized that criminalizing and prohibiting abortion violated human rights, including the rights to be free from cruel, inhuman, and degrading treatment, to privacy, and to equality and non-discrimination. And 4. The committee recommended that Ireland legalize abortion and ensure access to abortion care. Significance of this case. 1. It demonstrates the power of international human rights mechanisms to address national-level human rights violations. 2. It highlights the importance of international human rights law in protecting vulnerable groups, such as women seeking reproductive health care. And 3. It can serve as a catalyst for change at the national level, encouraging states to align their laws and practices with international human rights standards. Other examples of landmark cases include those related to the right to life, freedom of expression, and the prohibition of torture, as highlighted in rulings from the European Court of Human Rights, according to the Council of Europe. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.